Hi, this is Dr. John, Dermatologist, Trichologist and a hair transplant surgeon. I perform more than 3,500 hair transplants passionately and still can't. Hi, this is Dr. John. Welcome to the Exosomes preparation protocol demonstration. In this video, we'll show the complete process of preparing autologous exosomes using the kit provided. Please follow all aseptic precautions and ensure proper tube balancing during every centrifugation step. First step is blood collection. Collect the patient's blood in the ACD tube provided in the kit. Fill the empty tube with the water to the same level as in the blood tube. Place both the tubes opposite each other in the centrifuge for balancing and centrifuge at 2500 rpm for 10 minutes. Second step is plasma separation. After centrifugation, remove the tubes. Using a pipette, carefully transfer the plasma layer from the ACD tube into the new empty tube without disturbing the lower blood components. Place the plasma tube back into the centrifuge and spin again at 2500 rpm for 10 minutes. Third step is platelet activation. After the second spin, remove the plasma, leaving only the white platelet pellet at the bottom of the tube. Add the distilled water to the pellet and gently mix it until it is completely suspended. Transfer the suspension into tube A. Open an extractor tube and transfer the contents of tube A into it completely. Close the tube securely and gently invert it 4 to 5 times. After activation, centrifuge at 2500 rpm for 10 minutes. Step 4 is extraction. After centrifugation, open both the activated extractor tube and tube A. Transfer the liquid from tube A into the new extractor tube. Ensure both extractor tubes contain equal volumes for balancing. Place them in the centrifuge and spin at 2500 rpm for 10 minutes. Step 5 is exosome collection. After centrifugation, carefully remove the tubes and discard all liquid without disturbing the exosome pellet at the bottom. Once the pellet is visible, add 4 ml of normal saline to each tube. Close the tubes and shake vigorously until the pellets are completely dissolved. The exosome preparation is now ready for use. Withdraw the final solution into the insulin syringes for administration. Once the exosome preparation is complete, the patient is prepared for treatment. Begin by marking the treatment area according to the planned zones of administration, ensuring uniform coverage of all affected regions. Administer local anesthesia as per protocol to ensure patient comfort throughout the procedure. Once adequate anesthesia has been achieved, load the prepared exosome solution into insulin syringes. Using fine insulin needles, inject the exosome solution intradermally at an angle in systematic grid-like pattern across the marked treatment area. At each injection site, administer approximately 1 to 1.5 units of the solution while maintaining a consistent depth and spacing between injections. Continue the injections evenly throughout the treatment area to achieve uniform distribution of the exosomes. After completing the administration, gently clean the scalp and review post-procedure instructions with the patient. The exosome treatment procedure is now complete. Always maintain strict aseptic precautions and follow standardized injection techniques to ensure optimal patient safety and treatment outcomes.